Compassion is often seen as a strength. It means caring deeply, understanding others, and feeling their pain as if it were your own. But what many people don't realize is that constant empathy can quietly become exhausting. This is called compassion burnout. It happens when you give emotional energy for so long that your mind starts protecting itself by shutting down. At first, you may feel tired or emotionally drained. Then slowly, something changes. You stop feeling as much. You become numb, distant, or strangely disconnected from the struggles that once moved you deeply. This doesn't mean you are a bad person. In fact, it usually happens to the most caring individuals. People who constantly listen, support, and absorb the emotions of others often ignore their own emotional limits. Over time, empathy turns into exhaustion, and exhaustion turns into emotional silence. One hidden sign of compassion. Burnout is guilt. You may wonder, why you don't feel as compassionate as before. Sometimes you might even try to force yourself to care, but the emotional response just feels weaker. This is really your brain asking for rest, not a sign that your kindness has disappeared. Recovery begins with boundaries. Caring for others does not mean sacrificing your own mental peace. Taking breaks, protecting your emotional energy, and allowing yourself time to heal are not selfish actions. Actually, they are necessary for long-term empathy. Real compassion includes self-compassion. When you learn to care for yourself, your ability to care for others becomes, stronger and healthier. Remember, empathy should connect you to people, not empty you. If you've been feeling emotionally numb lately, it may not be a loss of kindness. It could simply be a sign that your heart has been carrying too much for too long.